Good morning from China. Hi, John. This is Kathy. I just wanted to say thank you for all that you're doing, for the opportunity that you're providing to me and to anyone that's willing to do what it takes to step into freedom. Freedom looks different for each of us, and I know what I'm called to do, and I'm excited to step into that. For any of you out there that are wondering, is this the right move? Is this a safe choice? Let me say three things. I actually paid 7 times the price that John is asking to another company. And I've received 7 times more help and resources from John than I did from them. Number 2, John actually takes his time at the end of every week to answer our questions live. How many millionaires do that? We can sit down with him and he will show us his screen, and we can share our screen with him, and he shares with us his insights and what he's learned to help us on to the next level. And 3, having come from a very strong traditional educational background, I can also testify that the price of this is a fraction of the cost that you pay for a traditional education. And yet I believe that this will open up so many doors to put you on to the path that you know you were created to be on. So I hope that that clears up any questions that you might have. And I wish you to join this team and to get going with what you need to be doing in life. Have a great day.